It's the wrong day for a false start.
Wrong day for a track meet.
Get out, Josh!
Which one's the son?
Okay, he's moving up now. Molly Creek. Alright, he got trapped in the back again as always. Now we got a lot of work to do. Too much work. Yep. We got a lot of work to do.
Everybody else, no.
All right, he can move for third. Come on. Come on, push for third. Come on. Come on. Get your arms together. Get your arms together. Keep on moving. Get them together. There you go. There you go. There you go. Keep pushing it. Keep pushing it. All right. You got a medal. All right.